Hi, this is Dave from Equity Maps. I'm going to show you how to set up your Zoom for a class discussion using Equity Maps. It's a great tool for mapping the discussion and giving feedback. So the first thing you're going to do is set up Equity Maps with your class. And what I do is first enter all of my students, and I prefer to use an oval shape or a circular shape. And here I've put in 5 students, maybe as a fishbowl, but just to demonstrate. And you'll notice that each student has a number. And I've done that so that it's easy to identify in Zoom. Now, when we actually go into the Zoom session, we're going to just tap on each student as they speak. So you can see their number and name come up on the Zoom screen. And you're just going to tap, and it's going to record all of the data. So after you've set up your Zoom meeting and the host, and you've got your students all in place, first thing you're going to want to do is ask them to change their names. Now, you can do this as the host as well by simply going to the top right and clicking on the rename button. And you notice I'm renaming these the same number as I had in Equity Maps. So Jesse has number 2, Gabriella number 3, etc. Zoom has made it super easy to share your iPad screen. Now, built in, simply go on Share Your Screen, select iPhone, iPad, and make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network. And then on your iPad, select Screen Mirroring, and you will see a Zoom tab for the screen mirroring. Now it'll appear on the screen. If you've got 2 screens, you can look at it on one side. Your students will also see the mapping, or you can choose to share it when the meeting is done. So here we have our class with 5 students currently in the discussion, and you'll notice as soon as someone's talking, here the teacher's talking, and I'm simply tapping on the teacher talk. Now each time someone speaks, there's George speaking, and we tap on George first. So this is what it looks like on the iPad. I'm tapping on George, and if the next speaker is Gabriella, or Jesse, or Joey. And then meanwhile, back in the meeting, I've tapped on George because number 1 shows up. And you can see this makes it really simple for identifying the numbers. Now sometimes it's not possible to number them, so instead I place them in alphabetical order on Equity Maps, which makes it easier to map during the discussion. You have a lot of other choices as well while you're mapping the discussion. You can select notations or the check note feature, where you can identify a number of questions asked, references to text. So now Dave is speaking, Joey is speaking, and I'm simply tapping on the speaker. And Equity Maps is doing the rest. It's recording the time spoken, as well as the check notes if you're identifying them. So when I map this in the class, sometimes I show the map so the students can see who has spoken and who hasn't. And other times I'll wait until the end of the discussion and show them all of the data to hold a reflection and a debrief. Here's an example of the check notes. And when it's all done, you can then share the feedback frames. Here I'm showing the number of time spoken from each individual. And oftentimes I'll simply ask the students, what is it you notice? Here you can play back the entire map at multiple speeds, either in super fast forward like you saw, or you can play an hour meeting in a few minutes, or a slightly slower. Now you can also pause it and play back the sound and allow the group to hear what it is each person said. You can check gender equity, overall group equity, and also the check notes to see how many questions were asked or text references were made. I hope you get a chance to try it. Virtual learning has definitely sent us in new affairs, and Equity Maps is helping you to bring your class discussions to life. You can also do a similar process in Google Meet, although it doesn't allow you to share your screen directly as a host. You can log in as another user from your iPad and share the screen directly from there while you're mapping as another user. It works great. I hope you get a chance to give it a try.